Hey guys, this is Rima here, your Austin local realtor, and today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful house, Brady, built by Drees. Now, this house is in the Wolf Ranch community in Georgetown in the South Fork side. Before we go ahead and get started, please subscribe to my channel and press that like button, as I will be providing you guys some great content. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Now, I've already got several clients building with Drees and building the same floor plan here. So if you guys like it and are interested, reach out to me and I can guide you on what your next steps would be.